If you want to learn how to use document expiry dates to create urgency, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leverage expiry dates in your documents to make your audience take action right away. Don't miss this. You've probably heard about urgency before, but using document expiry dates, that's a game changer. Stick around till the end, and I'll even show you a tool that can help you implement this quickly. First off, the basic idea is simple. Expiry dates signal a sense of urgency. Whether you're working with contracts, offers, or promotional documents, setting a clear expiration date gives people a reason to act now or risk losing out. This works because humans don't like missing out on opportunities. This fear of loss triggers faster decision making. Now, let's talk about how to actually use this to your advantage. Start by incorporating expiry dates into your offers or documents where it makes sense. For example, if you're sending out proposals or offers to clients, set an expiry date that's reasonable but not too far away. This pushes your recipients to make a decision quicker, which helps close deals faster. Another great way to create urgency with expiry dates is through limited time promotions. If you're in sales, offering a discount that expires soon creates a pressure point that can push potential buyers over the line. Make sure your documents, whether they're invoices, contracts, or even email newsletters, have that countdown effect. You can even include a reminder that the offer is running out soon or that the document is time sensitive. But it's not just about putting any old expiry date on a document and calling it a day. The timing has to be right. For instance, giving clients a week or a few days to respond is far more effective than giving them a month. People tend to procrastinate when they have too much time. Shorter, reasonable deadlines create a sense of now or never. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, but how do I automate this? Let me introduce you to the software we'll be using today. It's a tool that makes setting document expiry dates automatic and super easy. Not only can you set expiry dates for documents, but you can also send reminders to keep clients or recipients on track. The best part? I've teamed up with the software's team to offer an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along and start creating urgency in your own documents right away. The next step is making sure you don't overdo it. You don't want every document to feel like a ticking time bomb. Use expiry dates strategically on the most important documents where the decision-making process can benefit from urgency. This keeps it impactful and effective. Before we wrap up, the key takeaway here is simple. Expiry dates can be a powerful tool to create urgency and push people to take action faster. By strategically using expiry dates in your documents, you can increase your conversion rates and close deals more quickly. Remember to set reasonable deadlines, automate reminders, and apply this technique where it makes sense. To recap, start by adding expiry dates to your offers and proposals. Use timing to create urgency without overwhelming your audience. And don't forget the power of automated reminders with the software we use today. If you're ready to implement this and boost your document workflows, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.